Hi everyone! This week we will crochet 30 flowers like this one here. This is the back and this is the front, and we will be using Unico yarn from Katia and a 5mm hook. Round 1 starts with a magic ring, like so. You will go under this first one, grab that yarn, hold it, and pull the loop through. In the magic ring, you will make 8 single crochet. 1 and 8. Pull the magic ring tight and slip stitch in the first single crochet right over here. Do not cut yarn. Round 2 starts with a chain 1, and now you are going to make 16 single crochet in the magic ring again over the previous round. So insert your hook in the magic ring, pull your yarn up to the height that is higher than that first round, and this is your first single crochet. So and 16 slip stitch in the first stitch of the round. Pull the slip stitch tight, cut your yarn, and pull the yarn up and out of that stitch. Pull the magic ring tighter. For round 3, attach your yarn in any single crochet of round 2. Each first stitch of a round will be made as a standing stitch. So you're gonna wrap the yarn around your hook and hold it there. And now you can make your first double crochet and just keep holding it there and insert your hook in the first stitch and make that first double crochet. 1, 2. That's the first double crochet for the first popcorn stitch. Popcorn needs 4 double crochet, so you're going to make 3 more double crochet in the same stitch till you have a total of 4 double crochet in that stitch. Now you're going to take your hook out of the stitch, insert it in the first stitch, grab that the loop of the fourth double crochet and pull it through. Close the popcorn with a chain 1 and now chain 2. 1, 2, skip 1 single crochet and make the next popcorn in the next stitch there. So you will have 8 popcorn at the end of the round. At the end of round 3, you will slip stitch in the first popcorn, and it is easiest to insert your hook in here and slip stitch like so. Cut yarn and pull the loop up and out. Round 4 starts with a standing stitch again. Again, you will wrap your yarn around your hook and hold it. And the first stitch of round 4 is a 2 double crochet cluster. So we are going to yarn over, and in any of these chain 2 spaces here, you will insert your hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops on your hook and leave it. Do not finish that double crochet. You're going to make a cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook in the same chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and that is your 2 double crochet cluster. Chain 2 and make another 2 double crochet cluster in that same chain 2 space. 2 loops on your hook, over, and there's that second double crochet, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and there you are. Chain 1, skip the popcorn, and repeat these steps in all the chain 2 spaces. At the end of round 4, slip stitch in that first stitch here, there you go, and cut your yarn. And again, pull your yarn end up and out. Round 5 starts with a standing single crochet in any chain 2 space of round 4. So there's your first single crochet, chain 4, and now we are going to make a 3 treble cluster in the same chain 2 space. Yarn over twice, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over twice, you're going to make the second treble, 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on your hook, and now for the third treble, and you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops, chain 4, and single crochet in the same chain 2 space, chain 3, and skip this 2 double crochet cluster, the chain 1 and this 2 double crochet cluster, and repeat these steps in this next chain 2 space here. Close round 5 with a slip stitch in the first single crochet, cut your yarn, and pull the loop up and out. Round 6 starts with a single crochet around any first chain 4 space of round 5. So we're going to start with a standing single crochet, 2 single crochet. The first one is the standing single crochet, 1, 2, 1/2 double crochet, and 4 double crochet, and 4. Front post extended double crochet around this 3 treble cluster. Yarn over, insert your hook behind that stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Picot, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and for the perfect picot, insert your hook through these 2 loops here. Pull yarn through there, and that's your picot. Front post extended double crochet around that same 3 treble cluster again. Through 1 loop, and then twice through 2 loops. Going back down this chain, 4 double crochet, 1 and 4, 1/2 double crochet, and 2 single crochet, back post 1/2 double crochet around this 2 double crochet cluster here from the back. There you go. And 1 more back post. There you go. And then the repeat starts again around this chain 4 space here. At the end of round 6, slip stitch in the first single crochet over here, and cut yarn and pull the loop up and out. Pull the slip stitch tight. There you go. One more round. Round 7 starts in the back loop of the second single crochet on the right hand side of any petal. This is the right hand side and the second single crochet. Just pull your petals apart and you will see this is the first and that is the second. Starting in the second single crochet, so this is the first, there's the second in the back loop only, 7 single crochet. And the first one is a standing single crochet. 1, 2, and 7. In the picot of round 6, this is the picot here, single crochet, picot, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch in these 2 loops here. And single crochet again in that same picot. Now 7 single crochet in the back loop only, and the first single crochet is made in this front post extended double crochet. 1 and 7. Skip the single crochet, skip this back post half double crochet and slip stitch before the next half double crochet. You're going to be working behind these chains here. So slip stitch there, skip this back post half double crochet, skip this single crochet, and the repeat starts in the second single crochet again. Round 7 ends with a slip stitch in this first single crochet here. Cut your yarn, pull the yarn end up and out, and pull that slip stitch tight. This is a complete flower. And now you need to make 29 more. And this is what it looks like. Weave in yarn ends and have fun. This is the flower we just made. And this is the color order used for this flower. I made 6 flowers in the same color order. But I started with a different color for each flower. So this flower started with the dark color and keeps on this order. The next flower starts with orange and still has the same color order. And then the next flower starts with blue for rounds 1 and 2. So if you make 6 flowers for each color order, you will have used the same amount of yarn for each color, and that will ensure that you have enough yarn to make all 30 flowers.